Hey everyone! Using your Walmart Plus gas discount is super easy. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to do it step by step. So first, open the Walmart app on your mobile device, and since Walmart Plus is not available in my country, I'm going to use the website. So make sure you're signed in to your Walmart Plus account. And now, head over to the services section. Here, you'll see the auto care option. Just tap that and it will send you to this page. So just scroll down until you see member prices on fuel. Tap on that. This gives you up to 10 cents off per gallon at participating gas stations. Next, find a participating gas station near you. So Walmart Plus works with stations like Murphy USA, Exxon, Mobil, and more. So once you're at the pump, open the Walmart app again and tap on member prices on fuel. Select the station you're at and follow the instructions. It will generate a QR code or pump unlock code. Then just scan the QR code at the pump or enter the code provided. And that's it. Your discount will automatically apply at checkout. So easy, right? Thanks for watching.